Hello everyone, welcome back. Here we're going to discuss another example, another coding exercise for set comprehension. So we would like to create a set of even numbers from 1 to 10. What is the definition of even number? The definition of even number is the following. So if a number is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals 0, it means that number is an even number. Otherwise, it is an odd number. Okay, so this is the definition of even and odd numbers. So if a number is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals to 0 or equals 0, it means that the number is an even number. Otherwise, it's an odd number. So using a set comprehension method to create that, I'm setting a name for my set, and I'm saying that for this is the x, and for any x that is in the range 1 to 11, again we are saying 1 to 11 because the end is exclusive, so it is going to go from 1 to 10. And if x is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals to 0, using the modulo sign we can compute that, then we are going to set that number into this even numbers set, and finally I'm printing the elements of this even numbers set. So when I run this code, I see 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. But how this set is created like that? So for the first time, x equals 1, and then x equals 2, x equals 3, x equals 4. So let me copy paste these parts. So here is the iteration. So here is the iteration. So when we are saying for each x in the range 1 to 11, it means that x is going to take values from 1 to 10. So when x equals 1, it is saying that if x is divided by 2, the remainder equals 0. No. Therefore, this number is not going to be assigned to the set. So then 2 divided by 2, the remainder equals 0. Yes. So number 2 is assigned to the set. So 3 divided by 2, the remainder equals 0. No. Then 4 divided by 2, the remainder equals 0. Yes. So 4 is going to be added to the set. 5 divided by 2 equals 0. No. So 5 is not going to be added. 6 divided by 2 equals 0. The remainder equals 0. Yes. And 7 divided by 2 equals 0. No. So it's not going to be added. 8 divided by 2 equals 0. Yes, so 8 is going to be added to the list. 9 divided by 2, the remainder equals 0. No, so 9 is not going to be added. And 10 divided by 2 equals 0. Yes, so 10 is going to be added. But one thing that we need to be careful about, for example, 10, this is the sign, the slash is the sign of division. So 10 divided by 5, the output is 2. But 10, when we're having the modulo sign 5, it is going to calculate the remainder for us, and the remainder is 0 for this division. Okay, so this is just a reminder for you. So when I compile this, we see 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So for each x that is in the range 1 to 11, And if x is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division using modulo sign equals to 0, we're going to keep that x and assign it to even numbers, and then we are printing out the even numbers. So it was a very good example of set comprehension, and I think we could have now a better idea of how to create set comprehensions. We are going to have some further coding exercise with respect to set comprehension. Thank you for watching.